Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Be Competent in English quiz. Today's quiz is about the present simple tense versus the present continuous tense. We use the present simple tense to talk about daily routine and habits, facts and realities, permanent situations and status, schedules and timetable. Whereas we use the present continuous tense to talk about action in progress, temporary situations and status, planned future arrangements and intentions. Formula. In the present simple tense, we use the base form of the verbs with plural nouns and pronouns I, you, we and they, and the plural form of the verbs with singular nouns and pronouns he, she and it. In the present continuous tense, we use the auxiliary verbs is, am, are with the present participle form, that is ing form of the main verb. So let's start the quiz. There are 25 multiple choice questions in the quiz. You have 5 seconds to answer each question. If you need more time, you can pause the video anytime. Are you ready now? Complete the sentence with the correct form of either the present simple or present continuous tense of the verb in parentheses. Number 1. Sana read storybook right now. The options are A. Reading, B. Reads, C. Is reading. Correct answer is reading. Sana is reading storybook right now. Number 2. Sana always read storybook at night. The options are A. Read, B. Reads, C. Reading. Correct answer reads. Sana always reads storybook at night. Number 3. Water boil at 100 degrees centigrade. The options are A. Boils, B. Boiling, C. Boil. Correct answer boils. Water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. Number 4. Komal boil some water for the green tea. The options are A. Boils, B. Is boiling, C. Boil. Correct answer is boiling. Komal is boiling some water for the green tea. Number 5. Rehan currently write a book about her adventure in the Rocky Mountains. The options are A. Is writing, B. Is currently writing, C. Currently writing. Correct answer is currently writing. Rehan is currently writing a book about her adventure in the Rocky Mountains. Number 6. I'm sorry, I can't hear what you say because everyone is talking so loudly. The options are A. Saying, B. Say, C. Are saying. Correct answer are saying. I'm sorry, I can't hear what you are saying because everyone is talking so loudly. Number 7. At present, I study Japanese at a language institute in Tokyo. That is why I am in Tokyo. The options are A. Studying, B. Am studying, C. Studies. Correct answers. Am studying. At present, I am studying Japanese at a language institute in Tokyo. That is why I am in Tokyo. Number 8. What you do tomorrow? Would you like to come and play tennis at the gym? The options are A. Are and doing, B. Doing, C. Do and doing. Correct answers are and doing. What are you doing tomorrow? Would you like to come and play tennis at the gym? Number 9. In Pakistan, most people speak at least 3 languages. The options are A. Speaks, B. Speak, C. Are speaking. Correct answer, speak. In Pakistan, most people speak at least 3 languages. Number 10. What time do the train leave to London? The options are A. Do and live, B. Does and lives, C. Does and live. The correct answers does and live. What time does the train leave to London? Number 11. I never wear a jacket, but today I wear one because it is unusually cold. The options are A. Is wearing, B. Am wearing, C. Wearing. Correct answers am wearing. I never wear a jacket, but today I am wearing one because it is unusually cold. Number 12. Nobody thinks a young boy will win the gold medal. The options are A. Thinking, B. Thinks, C. Think. Correct answer, thinks. Nobody thinks a young boy will win the gold medal. Number 13. You look worried. What you think? The options are A. Are and thinking, B. Thinking, C. Is thinking. Correct answers are and thinking. You look worried. What are you thinking? Number 14. Johnny go to school right now. The options are A. Going, B. Goes, C. Is going. Correct answer is going. Johnny is going to school right now. Number 15. Johnny sometimes go to the library with his friends. The options are A. Goes, B. Go, C. Going. Correct answer goes. Johnny sometimes goes to the library with his friends. Number 16. Farah occasionally talks to her friends on the phone at the weekend. The options are A. Talks, B. Talk, C. Talking. Correct answer talks. Farah occasionally talks to her friends on the phone at the weekend. Number 17. Please keep quiet. I listen to the news. The options are A. Listening, B. Am listening, C. Listens. Correct answers. I'm listening. Please keep quiet. I'm listening to the news. Number 18. Anna listens to the news every morning. The options are A. Listen, B. Listening, C. Listens. Correct answer, listens. Anna listens to the news every morning. Number 19. Don't forget to take your umbrella. It rains hard. The options are A. Rains, B. Raining, C. Is raining. Correct answers is raining. Don't forget to take your umbrella. It is raining hard. Number 20. Jack sells newspaper for living. The options are A. Sells, B. Selling, C. Sell. Correct answer, sells. Jack sells newspaper for living. Number 21. Jack sells newspaper on the newsstand. The options are A. Selling, B. Sell, C. Is selling. Correct answer is selling. Jack is selling newspaper on the newsstand. Number 22. Rafi washed his new car at 9 a.m. on Saturdays. The options are A. Washes, B. Is washing, C. Wash. Correct answer, washes. Rafi washes his car at 9 a.m. on Saturdays. Number 23. This year, Amna visits her parents on holidays. The options are A. Visiting, B. Visits, C. Is visiting. Correct answer is visiting. This year, Amna is visiting her parents on holidays. Number 24. Jolly and Dolly always cook their lunch in the afternoon. The options are A. Cooking, B. Cooks, C. Cook. Correct answer, cook. Jolly and Dolly always cook their lunch in the afternoon. Number 25. Right now, they are not cooking. They do the quiz on Be Competent in English. The options are A. Doing, B. Is doing, C. Are doing. Correct answers are doing. Right now, they are not cooking. They are doing the quiz on Be Competent in English. Hope guys you have enjoyed today's quiz. So let me know how many you got correct out of 25 in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting quizzes. If you want to learn about the tenses, click on the above link to watch my YouTube videos on present simple tense and the present continuous tense. You can also follow me on my Facebook page Be Competent in English. Meet you in the next video. Bye for now.